Check in with Juan Acuna now for a full check on our forecast. Juan, it's cool now, if you want to call it that. Won't be for long.
Huh? Yeah, that's right. Usually in the morning is the best time to get activities done, especially in the early morning. As we head towards midday already, we heat up pretty nicely. And right now outdoor is at 5:13 this morning. We're at 76 degrees with a very light east-southeasterly wind at 3 miles an hour. Mother Nature has been really kind to us as far as the winds have been concerned. They've been relatively light. They'll pick up just a little bit as we head towards the end of the week. But overall, if you are going to be heading out to area beaches, there's still a low rip current risk out there, so you want to use caution. And if you're not an experienced swimmer, you want to stay near lifeguards. It's mainly quiet across the coastal bend this morning and very different from previous weeks where we usually were dealing with showers and thunderstorms. We do still have plenty of tropical moisture that is streaming in, but it's on the surface right now, and there is some cloud coverage up to the north with a few little showers. What we're lacking, though, is some upper level support, and right now temperatures are fairly uniform across the entire Lone Star State with 70s and 80s, but a little bit cooler, of course, off in Marfa where they're holding off at 62. Water vapor imagery shows that there's a little bit of some atmospheric moisture into the upper levels of the atmosphere, but not a whole lot. In fact, the high pressure dome has moved up just a little bit. We talked about this yesterday. There's a little disturbance that's off into the western Gulf of Mexico, and you can kind of see it spinning right there, making its way towards the South Texas region. It's not a large disturbance. It's very weak in nature, but nonetheless, it could spark off a few little stray showers across the coastal bend for today, especially as we get the daytime heating going. So as we look at the rainfall forecast, it's not a great chance. Only a stray opportunity today. In fact, it goes down a little bit for tomorrow and then back to stray as we go into Friday. As we go into the weekend, though, the rainfall chances just disappear completely. So if you do happen to cool off with one of these little showers that comes on in, do consider yourself lucky. As we take a look at the hour-by-hour forecast, already 88 degrees, lots of sunshine by 11 o'clock. Again, intermittently between any of these hours, we could see one or two of those little showers spark up, mainly starting off near the coastline. I don't think much of it will be here in the city of Corpus Christi. The favorite spot is up around the Victoria Crossroads, and then pushing in with the afternoon sea breeze for the inland parts of the coastal bend as we top off once again right at about 94 degrees with those relatively light east-southeasterly winds, 6 to 12. We'll head to about 93 out at the Naval Air Station, 93 over in Rockport, ranging to 98 off in George West, and pushing 100 degrees once again for our friends over in DeFreer. Heat index values around 105 to 110. That's going to be pretty prominent over the next several days and over many locations. So find that air-conditioned spot, avoid strenuous activity, especially during peak heating times of the day, which is about noontime all the way to 5 o'clock. Wear light clothing, check on your family and neighbors, drink plenty of water. We all know that. And don't forget about your pets. Make sure they have some cool water, and also make sure that they have a shaded spot as well. So we'll go to about 94 for today, holding on to just a few stray showers. Most of us will stay dry. 95 on Thursday and Friday. Saharan dust does move back in over the weekend, so it'll be hazy, sweltering hot and humid, and then that carries on over right into next week. Jeff.